just like any other thing, if there's an action, you learn from the reaction. So he's learned that he can get further away from the rule of law. That's my personal opinion. Listening to the conversation and how some of the people got to their points, I feel as though they felt he did something wrong, but did not want to remove him from office, and they wanted to allow the political process when the upcoming election to make that decision. So I understand that, and I can find some reasonable thought in that. But I do believe we're a country of rules, and we are led by those rules. So I think there's some improvement in the process and how we can better explain what he did wrong and have some documentation and witnesses going forward, just for historical context.
It was a complete charade. It was a mockery of the law, and no matter who's in office, we don't want this to be pushed down our throat and to be railroaded, because me as an everyday citizen, I've been railroaded. I know what happens, and I know how it can be, the abuse of power can be put on you. And I saw that the Democratic Party was absolutely obsessed with nonsense, and it cost me and you, the taxpayers, millions of dollars in wasted time, and I'm very upset with that. And I wish that we had an accountability process for the ones that started this to be fined so heavily that they would think twice about going into a public or a domain to sue and to put people's character at risk and not have any kind of consequences for it, and be paid while they're doing it. I think that is a total abuse of power.